I'm going to be taking you guys step by step how I made this purse. Look at how it is. Very beautiful. Taking you step by step how I made it. Okay, so stay connected. Stay tuned. All right. This is a very stylish purse that you can use for any event, and you can make in any color of choice. All right. You can make in any color of choice. So let's get started. I measured 9 inches on my hard gum stay. Hard gum stay on fold. That's I folded it into 2. All right. I folded into 2. Measured 9 inches. So I'm measuring 6 inches in width. 6 inches in width from up top to the bottom. So I'll be cutting it. All right. Then I went in by 5 inches, 5 inches at the top, and I'm giving it a beautiful slant. Beautiful slant. All right. So I measured 1 inch for our box. Measure 1 inch horizontal and vertical, length and breadth, 1 inch. Okay. So I now measured another 1.5 inch. If you look at the style of the purse, you see that the zip is bent. The zip is bent inside, so we need to do that. So we need 2 hard gum stay, 1 for each side of the main fabric. Okay. We need 2 hard gum stay, and we need to notch it at that 1.5. So for the light gum stay, we need 2 also, 1. We are going to be putting 1. Okay. So now we are cutting our main fabric. We are cutting our main fabric. Half yard of it is fine. Half yard. Half yard will be more than enough for you. More than enough. So we are marking out that 1.5 that we notch at the main at the hard gum stay. We are cutting it out on the lining. The light gum stay, we cut it out. So we want the lining to be shorter than the main fabric. That is the point. Lining be shorter than the main fabric. Okay. So this is what we have. Our length is 9 inches. All right. So now we are going to determine the length of the belt. Length of the belt. So the length of the belt now is 7 inches. Okay. It's 7 inches. So now this is what we want to form. Okay. Please make yours 6 inches because I reduced it again at some point. I removed 1 inch again. So let your length of the belt be 6 inches, not 7 inches, to get the desired result at once. Because when I did that 7 inches, I realized it was not giving me the form. So I removed another 1 inch again from it. So your length of belt is 7 inches and the width is 4 inches. Take note. So this is our lining, just padding. We are padding. We are just padding. With your iron, you trim out all excesses at this point. Trim it all out. Make sure everything aligns. So you iron all that you need to iron. So this becomes our strap. Our strap, anything 2 inches in width and 8 inches in length is fine. Did you use strap? Yes, we used the strap. 8 inches in width, 8 inches in length, and 2 inches in width is fine for strap. So we're starting with the belt. We are going to be sewing the belt. Then that's our strap. We are making our strap also. We sew the belt again. You turn it. So we have 2 belts. You sew the 2 belts and you turn it. Okay. Sew the 2 belts and you turn it. You iron it. Iron it. Fix your strap inside your ring connector. Fix your strap inside your ring connector. Okay. So now you're going to be fixing your belt. You are going to notch the middle of your fabric, your main bodies. See how I notched the middle? That's the middle that I notched. Then you are going to fix your belt. You are doing to both sides, okay? You are doing to both sides. Then you are going to be fixing your zip. You put your lining. You flip it. You neatly top stitch, okay? You repeat the same step to the other side. If you have seen this video to this point, please, and you haven't subscribed to our channel, you'll be missing, because we are dropping amazing tutorials that will help you to navigate these hard times and, not buy purses. You can actually make purses for yourself when you're going out, right? And you look unique. So we are fixed at this point. You open your zip, you fix your ring connector. You're fixing your ring connector on both sides. So now you are going to be sewing. You are going to be sewing and sewing all round, or you'll be leaving an opening in the lining side. Before you start this sewing round, ensure that your zip is open. So whenever you feel that the stitches are not strong enough, you can always double stitch, like sew it again, because you don't want to finish sewing everything and now realize that some places are not well sewn. It's not going to be funny. So you see that we are just sewing the lining side halfway. So now we are covering our boxes, okay? We're covering our boxes. You cover all the 4 boxes, the lining box and the boxes and the main fabric. Then you turn your purse out. You turn your purse out and you seal your opening, okay? You seal your opening at this point. So the measurement, you can increase the measurement actually. It's optional. You can increase, just use your discretion. Get the idea and just increase the measurements. Sorry, I was not capturing this very well. What I was doing was just to give that fold. I was just trying to give that fold it in. You're folding it in to give that form, right? You're using your hand to arrange it. You fold it in to give that form. Fold it in. Don't forget that our lining is shorter, so you fold it in. Fold it in to give that form. Fold the side. You're giving the purse that form that you saw, that zip being inside. Arrange it with your hand. Then when you fold, you neatly stitch it down. Okay? From the point of the belt, you stitch it down. From that point of the belt, you stitch it down so that it stays down neatly. Make your belt 6 inches in length, alright? Not 7 inches if you're using these measurements. So since our overall length is 9 inches, so make it 6 inches, you minus 3. Any other measurements you are using, ensure to minus 3 inches for the belt length. Okay, so this is our hook. I'm fixing our hook at this point. You fix your hook, and we are using our fishing line. Use your fishing line to make your handle. So I'm just going to tie it. Just tie it as many times as you can. Then you start passing your pearls. So there is no measurement for the length of the handle, and the type of pearls is optional. The measurements, the length, everything is optional. You can change that, okay? Everything is, you just get the basic of how this works, and you can change any other thing you want to change. I didn't count the number of pearls. Just do your discretion, do what you want, do your way, and make it comfortable for yourself. So guys, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Share our videos so that other people will benefit from it, okay? Thank you for